So, next demo, we will hear about the Open Science Network by Ivan Minutillo.
Hello, do you see my screen?
Yes, we do.
Yeah, I'm Ivan and I'm a Bonfire maintainer. And today I'll demo the Open Science Network, an open source and federated digital space built with the Bonfire framework. The Open Science Network goal is to create a digital space that is co-designed and governed by the same communities that wants to use it. In our case, the Scholar community. Oops, sorry, I don't see. Our demo starts at the login page. One of the first features that we have implemented was the ORCID single sign-on integration. When we first link our account with ORCID, several things happen behind the scene. The system starts fetching the data in the background, and if we visit our profile or any other user profile who previously have integrated their account with ORCID, for example, Lambert profile, we first see the ORCID authenticated badge, and below we see some data fetched directly from the ORCID API, such as education and employment history. On the right sidebar, we included also two widgets showing extra information about the scientist. In this case, works count, citations, H-index, and so forth, and the author most relevant topics, with next the total amount of publication for each topic. These data are not coming from the ORCID API, but we've implemented another integration that fetch data from the OpenAlex project directly into the user profile. This is very simple to implement in Bonfire, thanks to the modular Bonfire architecture. And that makes easy to implement custom extension or custom integration and integrate those data into the UI. The same flexibility is also granted to the user. If we navigate to the user settings, we see a list of enabled extensions that we have. And if I navigate to the Open Science one, I can decide to toggle, to enable or disable the whole extension, or just few widgets or part of the extension. In our case, I'm hiding the OpenAlex widget. And if I go back to the user profile, they are disappeared from the user interface. Another features that we implemented on the profile is the publication tabs. So next to the more standard posts, boost, and timeline, we also included the full list of publication of a specific author. This is interesting because those are not just fetched on runtime from the ORCID API, but they are rather stored as activities. So this means that everyone in the Fediverse, even other platform, they can open a publication and start a discussion on that specific paper. They can reply, boost, like, and even flag a publication. We hope that these features create a whole new layer of interaction and discussion in scientific teams. We can also create an integration with systems such as Crossref to present altmetrics or various other data on each paper. Those features marks our attempts to merge the social profile with a professional profile, trying to create an open alternative to closed platforms such as ResearchGate or similar. But discussing with the network, we want also to create new features that empower scientists to produce science directly on federated environment. One of the features that we are brainstorming right now is the possibility to create a federated taxonomy system to allow anyone to classify any kind of resource, such as a link, a paper, a discussion, or a user, and to create a structured knowledge graph navigable by anyone. Another feature that we are brainstorming is the possibility to create custom workflow for implementing open peer reviews process for specific scientific fields. Those are the features that we have implemented so far, but one last thing I want to show you is a feature that is not specific to the Scholar community, but is useful for all the communities in the Fediverse, and this is the content labeling. A moderator or anyone who has the right permission can add a label to any post or discussion. This came from a research published by the Pro-Social Design Network, and we have implemented in Bonfire a couple of months ago, and we are refining it right now. We can create different kind of labels. At the moment, we can create a misleading label for targeting potential misinformation or fake news. Stay informed for addressing potential outdated links or papers, or get the latest for expanding a discussion with external or more information. Those labels will be visible by any user. And we can also add some more context to a topic and provide external links as a reference, up to 3 links. And these are shown like this in the feed and in the discussion. This is a post that we have targeted as Stay Informed. And if I expand the post, we see more content and then external links.
Amazing demo.
Thank you.